You are watching T to the M to the I D D.
I don't wanna make things complicated, but I love it and I hate it when we break up in the back of the restaurant, then we make up in the back of your best friend's car. I ain't gonna pretend like I want it to end, but baby, I ain't even know how we got this far. Break up in the back of the restaurant, then we make up in the back of your best friend's car. I ain't gonna pretend like I want it to end, but baby, I ain't even know how we got this far. It might be toxic, but I say that we got
Yeah, we got this. Win is winning. 1, 2. Bring that left hand in a little bit. Perfect, right there. 1, 2. Perfect. Perfect. All right. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Bring that up. I'm gonna come on this side. Alright. 1, 2. Perfect. And give me like both hands over top of your head. 1, 2. There we go. Perfect. Boom. And then turn your body and lean on the car that way. Perfect. Hold your thing down. Yeah. You good. Perfect. Hold on. Now you ready for this? We gotta keep getting some. We gotta keep getting some.
Oh wow, that's good.
Oh wow. Boom. And I have you. If you could sit up on there. Yeah. Boom. 1, 2. Boom. Nah, that's fine. Alright, let me look and see what that look like. There we go.
Like, got my feet covered?
You could actually take your shoes off and just sit like right in the middle of the hood and face kind of me. Yeah, and put your feet kind of to you. Yeah. All right, let's see. I got something for that. I got something for that. All right, so this is normally how I gotta do it. So it's looking like one of those situations. 1, 2. All right, let me see. Yeah, that could work. That could work. You could actually probably sit back. What if you sit on the top of this thing up here? Actually, yeah, I like that. All right, I'm gonna try to, cause I'm trying to get the sun behind you. Perfect. Perfect. All right, sit right in the middle right there. Yeah, that's it right there. One, two. Yeah, right there. Yeah. 1, 2. And I'm gonna have, like in the front, the front 2 seats, and then just like in the middle, kind of like leaning right there. Yeah. 1, 2. Perfect.
Okay, Jingo.
All right, here we go. 1, 2. One, two. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Come to your right a little bit. Right there. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's see. Let me just get some natural light ones. Perfect. All right, you ready to head out? She's ready. Matter of fact, she has been with me since like 3 p.m. I think it's like 8 now. So she's a real one. You ready for Texas?
I'm ready for Texas. See you in Dallas.
See you in Dallas. No, you're gonna see me in Austin.
See you in Austin.
Yeah,
I'll see
everybody else in Dallas.